Today we're going to be doing some travelling and we're going to break lockdown rules. We're going to change fucking city and we're going to find something to eat. So we are travelling about, I don't know, it's about 50 miles just to have one taco.
Taco Bell, baby.
And as you see those tall buildings over there, they're full of crackheads, they are. You go inside there, you're not coming back out clean. You go inside there, you're going to end up with benefits, you're going to be stuck.
We love them.
This is my friend, we haven't met him yet on this channel. So yeah, basically where we are, this bridge is known for prostitutes. So prostitutes will come up this bridge, show their bits from the top, and if you want it, you go up there and you pay £40.
We love them bits.
And look, those are the crackhead houses. Ever play Dying Lights in other slums? That's that. Alright, peace. Literally, we're going on a train to get a fucking taco. Oh, this is nice. Oh, it's full of people. So the plan is, we'll get food in Taco Bell.
Yeah.
We'll get the food, we'll eat the food. We'll go to the Lego shop because we're a bunch of man-childs.
Yeah, I need some Legos.
And then we'll go to a castle full of Christmas stuff called Winter Wonderland.
Christmas.
On my way to make it California. I'm singing songs to not get copyrighted. I'm on my way to make it California. We're here and it's night time. That's how long it took us and we're literally traveling all this way for a £1 taco.
Fuck yeah. We get them tacos, boys.
We've travelled halfway across the country for a taco. Although this place does look really nice.
Yeah, with all that construction and stuff. Looks really nice.
The thing is, we're only here for like 10 minutes. We're gonna get our taco and then we're going.
Yeah.
Anyway, see you. Stop focusing. There you go. BBC Cymru. We found the big black cock. Let's go. Look at it. And we got, this is a sick place. Let's go find our tacos.
Let's get them tacos, boys.
What are you doing?
As you can see, they are very dirty. And I can't really record in it because it's too noisy. Yeah. Look at all that decoration.
Decoration, more like relocation.
So the food's like 7 out of 10.
Yeah, it was 7 out of 10. It was like, you know.
The tacos are messy, the nachos are fucking hot, the rice though.
Yeah.
The rice was banging. Anyway, we're gonna go to the street shop now.
Like the flatbread, they had that. That was like the cheese flatbread. It was actually really nice. That's the only bad.
Basically, we only like the cheese.
Yeah,
We could have gone in the house, got cheese, put it in the microwave, and yeah.
It would have been a sick. Would have been a sick.
Anyway, Cardiff.
Disappointing.
It's mad that it's like dark now, and it's absolutely freezing.
Yeah, it's cold as fuck.
So we're going to a sweet shop that's over there. We found the children.
Walking in a winter wonderland.
It's literally like, yeah, it's a winter wonder. I'm across the road, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Look at it. It's kind of sick.
Hey, look at that Teddy. Standing my car.
If I win, I'm getting fucking Harambe.
Monkey.
Monkey. Are those different colours? I'm sure it's not racist. I will win.
On 6 cans, off the shelf to win.
Go on, boy. What's that? You got this, man.
I think I could do it.
You missed. Come on, man. You got 2 more left, man. You got this. Oh!
Is that 10 for now?
It's got to be off it now.
I've lost.
Yeah, there's 2 of them still there, man. Yeah, lucky, dude.
Should I do it again or not?
Do it again. One more time.
Oh!
Yeah! Oh. No, you got 2 more, man. Concentrate! No, you lost! Why would you just keep throwing them?
I lost.
You kept throwing them.
We'll come back here and I'll fucking win that
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Cardiff Castle.
Oh, that looks sick.
Yeah, I was going to call it sweet soup, but actually
Me.
it's
I can't even zoom in. Whoa, what the hell are these?
Hey, look at this.
Yeah, look at these mountains of sweets. It's actually nuts.
Look at these manner of sweets.
Look at them.
I ain't never seen two nice sweets before.
Imagine like you have a Thanksgiving dinner. They come home, so they're turkeys at the table.
It's just sweets.
Oh, look at these.
Oh, they got Joe burgers, like pop ones too.
It's actually sick.
That's nice.
This place is sick. They got sauce puppy machines.
I know. I'm still looking for those damn whams.
Is that edible paper? It is.
Yeah, it is. I'm on the hunt for those damn whams.
Well, Doris, happy birthday. No, if someone got me that for my birthday,
I'll be tapping.
I'll be kicking off.
Oh yeah, we got a jacket. Oh god, it's just,
Oh, they got Japanese sweets, look.
it's just Pocky. It's Pocky.
Yeah, Parky's sick.
Yeah, basic man.
They got loads of Oreo shit.
Huh?
They got loads of Oreo shit right here.
Oh yeah.
They got fucking...
Oh, they got a Pop Tarts. My favorite is chocolate fudge.
My favourite Pop-Tart is probably fucking...
If you don't say chocolate fudge, I'm gonna knock you
It's
out.
not here.
It's not here. What's your favorite?
Strawberry jam.
Maybe they got like that.
Oh, they got American stuff. It's sickly as fuck.
Yeah, okay, we'll stop this sickly. Yeah, for proper 20 years.
Oh, however, do they have them? No, they don't. Like these donuts, but like sugar powdered. It's fucking banging.
Yeah. I'm still trying to
Oh, that's cute as fuck.
That's cute. It's like a,
That's cute.
that's like a Valentine's present or a Christmas present.
Oh, look, they got fucking Prince Charles shit over there.
Who gives a fuck about wow?
I'm gonna stop recording. Look how sick these are.
Yeah,
These are
guys.
sick.
Yeah, I've had these before. They sell them in some like off-licensed shops.
Yo, I have not seen these before.
Yeah, they're fucking lit, man.
He's found the Rams and he's fucking fuming.
Look at this. A pound for whams. This is an outrage. This is abysmal.
That's
Like,
£2. They cost 50p.
This is like too expensive for me, man. I ain't paying a pound for wham. 25p or that's it.
My benefits don't pay this much. Let's go. We found the anime shit.
Yeah, we know we love that shit. Look at that cell, boy.
Look at that cup.
Yeah.
That's sexy. They got a Death Note cup for that as well.
Fuck yeah.
They got All Might. They got fucking... Isn't her name Liz?
Trophy.
Trophy.
Yeah,
Oh, I didn't even see that.
they got the fucking blast things.
They got fucking Vegeta, Gohan, Boo. They even got fucking Cooler. They got like a Japanese Google shit.
Cool as lit, man.
Cooler is
They
lit.
got some bed covers for them. They got a couple of pillows. Hell expensive. I wouldn't buy them, but.
Yeah. They're heading back now. Like, what time is it?
It's like.
So we left at 2 o'clock. It was like, what time? It was like 6:30.
Yeah, something like that.
Traveled like 4 hours for some tacos.
Pretty trash.
That's mad.
It wasn't worth it.
Yeah, it should be. So, I should look at the road. Anyway, that was... The day was kind of okay. The tacos were about 7 out of 10. They weren't the best. The sides were fucking horrible. Like the nachos just didn't taste like nachos. They tasted like fucking shit.
Yeah.
We bought some anime posters who were fucking weebs. Fucking whams are like 10p and they were charging them for just food shop. You know, they were just... You'll see it on the later video actually. What else was there? Fucking Pokemon soda cans. £4 each. Fucking rip off.
Yeah, it was
And
pretty
then we
shit.
got on a train.
Took a fucking ages to go.
Yeah, outro vlog. That was it. If you didn't enjoy the video, fuck off. If you did, leave a like.
Leave a like and subscribe.